Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today is December 7th, 2022. Today, verb idiom game. 10 questions. It will start easy. We are using the Svano Vocabulary 8000. Our vocabulary school is now open. Please see our website. Number 1. You're late. You have to. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. Hurry up. You have to hurry up. The basic form, to hurry up. For all of these, the basic form starts with to because they are verb idioms. Number 2, we cannot drive through the town because there is some kind of problem. We have to, like this. We cannot drive through. We have to. And remember, all idioms have 2 words or more. To go around it. The basic form is to go around something. Bob is his mother. He's silent. He's not speaking. His mother is on his mind. Thinking about. The basic form is to think about somebody or something. All 3 of these are in our program. To think about somebody, something. To think about doing something means to consider doing something. And number 3, to think of something. Did you? Anything interesting? This means did you find? Did you discover anything interesting? Come across. Did you come across anything interesting? Means did you find, see, experience. To come across something. And sometimes we only say to come across. Please see your dictionary. Number 5. Do that woman and that man This is a way in English when we ask if a couple are boyfriend and girlfriend, if they're having a relationship together. Live together. To live together. And this is a funny one because sometimes it just means to live together, but it's also kind of a code word, meaning they're in a relationship. They live together. Swimming underwater is hard because you cannot take a breath. You cannot take a breath underwater. Bob has a cold. He needs some tissues. He has to. His nose. Like this. Can you see me with tissue? Like that. How do we say that in English? Blow. He has to blow his nose. Jennifer was a slow worker at first when we first hired her, but now she is. This means she is learning the job and she's becoming faster. She's gaining experience. She's doing well now. She's learning the job. She's catching on. To catch on. This could be for a new worker that's learning. It could also be for a trend that's becoming popular. It's too late to go shopping. We'll just what we have. This means we will just use the things that we have. We won't try to go shopping. We'll just use what we have. Make do with. It's too late to go shopping. We'll just make do with what we have. Jennifer, me, her mother. This means when you see Jennifer, you think of Jennifer's mother, because they are similar people with similarities. Jennifer reminds me of her mother. The basic form is to remind somebody of something or somebody. Game over. Was it easy or difficult? These are difficult at first, but once you get used to them, they'll be okay. My name's Vinny. What's your name? What city are you in? What kind of music do you like? Do you like sports? Can you speak English well? Very nice. You're doing very well. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.